Hey yo, what's good y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Snooker, and I am back with another video. Today is going to be another live cop video for prayerfully the Sesame V2s, the Yeezys. They're not a personal pair. Not a personal pair for me, but the young lady that always gets Yeezys for her son from me wants another pair of Yeezys for him. So size 13 gang, hey, I'm gonna do my best to get you a pair. Even if I don't hit today, I'll get them in the morning and they'll be right over to your house. I also put in for a size 6 and another size 13 just to flip. I'm flipping those if I hit on them just to put all my money towards these Concords that are coming out. That is an obvious must cop, so put my money towards that, and I got to get him his personal pair. So let's get into this countdown. But before we get into that, if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, man. All of us as a family are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 subs by the beginning of the year. January 1st, 2019, I hope to be at 1,000 subscribers. So if you already are subbed to the channel, share this video, tell all your friends and family around you at Thanksgiving to watch my videos from their phone and sub to the channel as well. So we're a few seconds away from the countdown. Let's get into the countdown. Hopefully we hit on all 3 pairs. If not, we just need one size 13 and that'll suffice. Talk to y'all in a second. Alright y'all see what it is. We're down to 25 seconds or a little under that. I appreciate all of you guys coming to watch another one of my videos, another one of these live cops. Like I said, it's not for me personally, but I am going to try to get a couple pair for other people. We're down to 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, baby. Let's go back. Let's refresh. Let's go ahead and see results. What? No, I don't want to close the app. Oh, woo. Made me nervous. There's Footlocker. Let's go over here to Champ Sports. Champs. What is this? Oh, there it is. Let's see if I hit on my grade school as well. What's that? Grade school. All right, my size 6. Yep, there it is. So I got all of the pairs that I needed to give out to everyone else. Thank y'all for watching another video. Hold on, let me bring my face back. Hello, guy. And just like that, y'all, as you can see, your boy hit on all 3 pair. I think it was because I had my good luck charm with me. So me and Abel will be picking up our pairs tomorrow. Shout out to the homie that always gets his Yeezys from me. And shout out to all you guys that continue to rock with your boy. Continue to come back and watch all my content, man. So hit that notification bell. I'll be uploading some more videos this week, all the way through the weekend. So, with all that being said, happy Thanksgiving. OV!